one more important questions from Lagrangian, that is you have given Lagrangian and you will have to find angular momentum of the particle at empty, and also given some conditions at t equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to y naught, and x dot equal to y dot equal to v naught. How will you find angular momentum of the particle at empty? For this you have four options and you choose one option, which one is correct. So you have given Lagrangian equal to L equal to half m x dot square plus y dot square minus 1 by 2m omega square x square plus y square. First you will have to know this is the functions of xy, that is Cartesian coordinate, and angular momentum. Ask angular momentum, so you will have to convert xy. Here xy is the functions of r theta in polar coordinate. So x equal to r cos theta in polar coordinate and y equal to r sin theta. Here omega is the functions of omega equal to theta t. So how will you convert? First you convert x and y in polar coordinates. You have to find x dot square plus y dot square and x square plus y square. So if x equal to r cos theta, then x dot equal to r dot cos theta plus it is the function of r theta, so both here differentiate. First r dot cos theta plus r, differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta, and with respect to theta dot, that is you have r dot cos theta minus r sin theta, theta dot, and similarly y dot equal to r dot sin theta plus r cos theta, theta dot. Now first find x square plus y square, then x dot square plus y dot square. So x square plus y square equal to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. This makes r square is common, cos square theta plus sin square theta. This makes 1, so it is simply r square. Now x dot square plus y dot square equal to r dot cos theta minus r sin theta, theta dot, overall square plus r dot square sin theta plus r cos theta, theta dot, overall square. So when you, this is the square term, a minus b whole square, r dot square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta, theta dot square minus 2r r dot, and this theta dot cos theta sin theta, and this makes r dot square sin square theta plus r square cos square theta theta dot square plus 2r dot r theta dot cos theta sin theta. You are seeing both here similar and plus minus sign, so cancel out, and this function and this function makes r dot square, because cos square plus sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta makes 1, so r dot square, and this term makes r square theta dot square. Now you will put this term, let this is a first equation, so from first L equal to half m x dot square plus y dot square makes r dot square plus r square theta dot square, and this makes minus half m omega square x square plus y square is r square. Now break this half m r dot square plus half m r square theta dot square minus half m omega is the function of theta, so omega square makes theta dot square and r square. I simply write here. So this and this cancel out, you have only term m half m r dot square. Now conjugate momentum conjugate. P theta in terms of our PR equal to del L del r dot max m r dot. Now you have to calculate angular momentum, so angular momentum r close PR, you already know, P theta equal to r cross PR, and this makes r cross PR is already mr dot. Now r dot means dr by dt. Now your answer in terms of x and y, so again you convert r and dr by dt in terms of x and y. So I simply write r square equal to x square plus y square, so r equal to a square root of x square plus y square. So I write p theta equal to m square root x square plus y square, and dr by dt, that means differentiation of square root x square plus y square in terms of t, then it will make 2 square root x square plus y square, and the function of a, this makes 2x x dot plus 2y y dot, 2 is cancel out, numerator and denominator, and also this will this, so p theta makes m x dot plus y dot. Now apply condition. P theta equal to m x is 0 at t equal to 0 and x dot is v naught plus y is v naught and y dot is y naught and y dot is v naught. Apply condition. Condition is given x equal to 0, x dot equal to v naught, y equal to y naught and y dot equal to v naught. So p theta max m v naught y naught. This is a final answer. So option A is correct. You have given first option. Again you check first options. So this option is correct. Now I end up. Thank you.